Okay, Adnan, after the Ish Subhan Allah, our audience ने आपको काफी ही मिस किया and now you're coming back with the old Balaji show. So उसके लिए आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे, फैंस को क्या बताना चाहोगे अपने डिजिटल डेब्यू के बारे में?
Just I hope that they see something that they like. Just that. Yeah, I just hope, yeah. Okay, I think that's all you can do, right? That you just hope and pray that आपकी ऑडियंस को आपका ये बॉडी ऑफ वर्क भी पसंद आए. मैंने मेहनत बहुत की है इसके लिए. इस बार फिजिकल मेहनत कम थी, इस बार मेंटल बैटल्स ज्यादा थे. But I'm happy with what happened, so I hope they're happy too. I hope it translates because अपनी तरफ से मैंने फुल दिया तो रात में नींद मुझे बहुत अच्छी आई. But I hope it translates with them too. I hope they connect. Let's see. Yeah, I'm kind of excited. I want to see what they say.
So how was your experience working with the old Balaji as a debut of your show, as a debut of your digital show? So कितना excitement था आपके लिए, कितना अलग experience थी?
Look, I wasn't very excited, but that's not because of old Balaji. I'll tell you what, मैं जरा भी excited नहीं था. मैं in fact मुझे नहीं करना था, क्योंकि for some reason मैं paranoid हो रहा था कोविड को लेके. And मेरी मॉम एंड खाला को मुझे छोड़ के जाना पड़ा था out of town to shoot. So I was in a completely negative mindset. I wasn't excited at all. I wasn't. But the actor in me, मैंने बहुत साल पहले I read this thing where it said that an actor cannot say no to a job when he's not working. When an actor is not working, even a shitty job is a job. You understand? Because you will always learn something. And I had read this long ago that if you're not working, if you're not missing out on work, देखिए अगर आपके पास कुछ अच्छा काम already है, then you can say no to other work. But if you're not, so I was completely paranoid. I was becoming very negative because I started watching the news for some reason, and news में तो ऐसे साले इतनी yeah, it's like a horror movie going on, man. And I was getting so paranoid, leaving my mom and my aunt behind, and for myself and all that. But having said that, the group of actors, I just want to shout out that I think in terms of a collective group, ये जो group है 5-6 दोस्तों का जो screen पे दोस्त हैं, I think they're some of the best actors I've worked with. Yeah, it was wonderful. So later on, luckily देखिए मैंने मना नहीं किया because एक वादा किया आपने किसी से कि हाँ मैं आऊंगा, तो आप मुकर नहीं सकते हो. तो मैंने आंख बंद करके अपने दिल पे पत्थर रख के गया. मैं बोला छोड़ अदनान, a job is a job. But luckily when I went there and I saw this, it was wonderful. So today if you ask me right now, Adnan, yes, I'm super excited. I'm really excited because I got a chance to experiment and I'm just really happy about that. Yeah. And now.
Yeah. Any other web shows you want to do or any other plans of web shows?
I definitely want to do web shows. I want to do anything that makes challenges me up. जिसमें मुझे डर लगता है, जिसमें मुझे लगता है कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मैं बहुत ही खराब होऊंगा. I'm going to be terrible. And अगर मेरा दिल, so now what I'm starting to realize is that if my heart starts telling me 10 reasons of why I shouldn't do a job, that means I have to do that job because ये डर है.
Yeah.
You understand? So web में बहुत डरता हूँ मैं. I'll be honest with you because it's.
You mean to say like that?
Sorry, what?
हर एक ना के पीछे हाँ है. You mean to say like
something
that?
like that. Yeah. Because ना कहाँ से आ रहा है? It's very important to ask yourself वो ना कहाँ से आ रहा है. And मेरा ना हमेशा डर से याद. Underlying truth ये होगा कि Adnan, you can't do it. Adnan, you'll be terrible. Adnan, you'll mess up. You won't look good. It'll not be a cool thing. The story will be bad. All this. And उसके ऊपर मैं reasons डाल दूंगा. अरे यार कोरोना चल रहा है. अरे ये चल रहा है, वो चल रहा है. But the truth of the matter is, I'm just nervous. So whenever I'm nervous, I have realized I have to go forward. That is the job I have to say yes to. So yeah, I want to do stuff like that. That challenges me.
Okay, so news is also that Subhan Allah jaldi hi OTT platform पे आने वाला है ना with 2.0 version. So is that true or is it something like that?
Maybe they haven't called they haven't called me, so I'm sure they'll probably consider new cast. Yeah.
Okay. Apart from this, Arnan, we have seen कि आजकल कई सारे म्यूजिक वीडियो एल्बम्स आ रहे हैं, OTT आ रहा है. So have you thought about switching to this other genres also?
Yes, I have. But more specifically, I've thought about right now focusing a lot of my energy on my script. This magical, ये मेरी script मालूम क्या बन रही है? It's become like this. वो मुझे लग रहा है ऐसा कि ऐसा बन रहा है कि स्कूल में अगर कोई दोस्त रहा होगा आपका जो बहुत छोड़ता था, हाँ यार वो फरारी है मेरे अंकल के पास, तो लेके आ फरारी, नहीं नहीं वो थोड़ा गराज में, अरे नेक्स्ट लेके आ, नहीं नहीं वो भाई लेके गया. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने जितनी बात अपनी स्क्रिप्ट की है और अभी तक इट्स अनेबल टू फिनिश. आई एम स्टार्टिंग टू थिंक बहुत बोल रहा हूँ, but the truth is that I have this very beautiful story, very very beautiful for me. It's very close to my heart and I'm close to finishing it, so I'm focusing a lot of my energy there right now. Sapne to hai, obviously I want to do everything. Yeah, I don't want to run away from everything. I want to do theater, I want to do films, ads, definitely songs. I've done 2 short films are a blast. I just want to work. I don't want to sit at home. I want to work. So yes, I have thought. I wouldn't say switching, because you know what switching implies, that you would leave one thing and go to another. But considering other things, yes, I am definitely considering everything. Anything that scares me, as I said. अगर डर लग रहा है, let's do it.
So अदनान, जैसे कि हमने देखा कि अभी भी फैंस आपके और ईशा के कई सारे वीएम्स बनाते रहते. They still इश्क सुभान अल्लाह. Even in lockdown जब वो फिर से रिप्ले हुआ था, fans love it. तो क्या
That was
बोलना
crazy.
चाहोगे? फैंस अभी भी आपको इतना सारा प्यार देते आ रहे हैं आपके ट्रिप को लेकर.
I don't know why. I know they get, मेरे fans ना बहुत irritated होते हैं. मैं जब I come out on interviews and if someone asks me this, and I always end up saying I don't know why, and they get so irritated. They get so they're like, no, because of you.
Yeah.
But in the truth is that, like, stuff like this, like, why so much love? I don't know. I'm just blessed. I'm just blessed. I don't know.
Okay, so ईद के मौके पे अपने फैंस को कुछ बोलना चाहोगे?
Hang in there, guys. अगर आप लोग कोई मुश्किल दौर से गुजर रहा है, just hang in there. अगर मेरी जरूरत हो मुझे बताना. जितना मुझसे हो सके I'll do. Stay safe. अगर आपके लिए नहीं, अगर आप strong हो, आप बहुत महान हो, cool. But just for other people, stay safe and spread some love, man. Just spread some love, guys. I think the answer to all the entire world's problem, all of it, is just love. That's what I think. So just spread as much love as you guys can. Be nice, be kind, control your emotions, control your tongue. Just be nice. Yeah, that's what I'd like to say.
Thank you, Adnan, for giving your precious time and all the best for the shows. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shweta. Have a lovely day, and you also be safe, be cool.